conversations I've had with various people about potentially looking at joining the alternative board, and the immediate conversation goes to time. My time. And board meetings and one-on-one sessions. Also, there's a degree of ego that comes about management for a lot of business owners. What's somebody going to teach me? I've been doing this for 20 years. I know what I'm building. I know my business better than anybody else. My argument back has always been, just give it 3 months. Give it 3 months. The cost of joining a board versus the return is an excellent decision. The level of engagement, the compassion, the care, the deep dive. And it's not just the sessions itself. I'll make a commitment in the meeting. Explain to Mark that I'm going to be actioning something by the end of the week. I'll get a follow-up call or message at the end of the week. How did it go? What could you have done better? There's constant reflection, there's constant engagement. If I'm dealing with a bigger issue and I want an objective view, I know I've got an external person in the business that's got my best interests at heart as well to give me the truth, the honest facts. I don't think enough business owners have that.